As we move into the summer months, which are generally very hot, people's irrigation systems are not intact and do not function properly. This is due to the fact that they haven't used their irrigation system during the course of winter. This means that a lot of sand has blocked filters or parts have become defective. So in order for your garden to get the required water, you'll need to do an irrigation service. This means we come in, we change the filters and clean all nozzles to ensure that your plants get the much needed water in the hot summer months. So with the current drought we've experienced, the City of Cape Town is unlikely to lift water restrictions. So many people have turned to grey water systems to irrigate their garden. A few things you need to keep in mind is the filtration. As grey water is a very dirty source of water, it has a lot of soap particles which will clog up your irrigation filters as well as your irrigation sprayers. So the best course of action is to put in a proper filtration system and do regular maintenance on your sprayers and filtration systems to ensure the plants get enough water. So Greenscapes offers irrigation maintenance and repairs. This is to maintain all aspects of your irrigation system, from the pump to the sprayers and piping, as well as filtration systems. So we can come in and on a monthly or every second month, we can ensure your irrigation system is working at 100%.